If you are looking to change country on Google account but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can change country on your Google account. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out any steps. First, let's open our Google app. Now at the top you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. After this, down here you'll find settings. Again, tap on other settings. At the top, you'll find language and region. Tap on it. Now you'll see the option to change the region. Tap on it. After this, you'll get the list of regions which you want to keep. And search the one of your liking. And tap confirm. Now, you've successfully changed your country on your Google account. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.